Hey everyone, I am Priyanshi Agrawal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we are solving today's Leetcode daily challenge, which is special array 1, and this is a super duper easy question. From the past 2 days we are receiving the hard questions, and today we got this super duper easy question, so we got a relief. So let's see what is this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, we are given an array is considered special if every pair of its adjacent elements contains two numbers with different parity. What they means is, if we have an array num, so let's say, so all the adjacent numbers of this array should have different parity. And what do you mean by parity? Like if this number is odd, then this should be even. Its adjacent number should be even, and if this number is even, then its adjacent number should be odd. They means that they should have different parity. And you are given an array of integer nums, return true if nums is a special array, otherwise return false. So if all the adjacent numbers in the array have different parity, then what is it is? This is a special array. And if any of the adjacent pairs didn't satisfy this condition, then what we need to do? We need to return false if this condition is not satisfied. Okay, so let's see the test cases as well. So as this test case has only one integer in its array, so it is true as there are no pairs only. So and see in this example, 2 and 1 have different parity, 1 and 4 have different parity, 1 is odd, 4 is even, so we will return 4 true. And see in this example, 4 is even, 3 is odd, okay, 3 is odd, 1 is also odd, oh shit. So they don't have different parity, they have same parity. So what we do? We will return false. So let's quickly see its code as well. So first of all, what we can do is we can simply store the size of num, and we will simply run a loop from I is equals to 0 till I is less than n minus 1 and I plus plus. And why we are running the loop till n minus 1? See, here is an array 4 3 1 6, index with 0 1 2 3, and its size is 4. So I is less than n minus 1, it means 3. It means our loop will stop at this position, because we will compare the I and the I plus 1 index numbers. That's why if we run the loop till n minus 2, then we will be able to compare the numbers at index n minus 2 and n minus 1, and then we came to the end of our array. Okay, so let's compare if nums of I modulo 2 equals to nums of I plus 1 modulo 2. It means they have same parity. So what we will do? We will simply return false. But if they don't have, if none of the adjacent pairs have same parity, then we will return true by the end of our loop. Let's run this code. So yeah, it's working fine. Let's try submitting it as well. It's fine. And let's talk about the time and space complexity as well. So as we are doing this in a single iteration, so its time complexity will be go of n only, and as we have not used any extra space, so its space complexity will be big of 1. So this was all for this question. It was a super easy question. I hope you get it, but if you still have any doubts, then you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Till then, bye guys, see you in the next video.